Waterproof outdoor landscape solar garden lights are a wonderful addition to any outdoor space, combining beauty, convenience, and eco-friendliness in one simple solution. These lights are powered entirely by the sun. During the day, they charge up using built-in solar panels, and when evening comes, they automatically switch on, casting a gentle glow that makes your garden, patio, or pathway look magical. One of the best things about these lights is that they require no wiring or electricity. You just place them in a sunny spot and they're ready to go. They're completely waterproof too, so you don't have to stress about rain, humidity, or harsh weather. They're designed to last through the seasons. The variety of designs means you can choose styles that suit your outdoor decor, whether you want something modern, classic, or playful. They're perfect for highlighting garden features, lighting up walkways for safety, or simply creating a cozy outdoor atmosphere for gatherings or quiet.